PYG linear guides have the feature of high precision, high speed, high rigidity, and low noise. They come in a multitude of preloads and accuracies to service any application. PYG is our standard circular arc 4-row rail series. Steel balls is rolling movements between the slider and the guide rail. They have the feature of low friction resistance, long accuracy maintenance time, and are suitable for various CNC machine tools, optical machinery, precision instruments, and many other automation equipment application. Our standard rail length is from 0.5 to 6 meters, and customization length also supported, with some sizes available past 6 meters. Jointed rails are used. Hundreds of linear guideways sizes and styles are available in stock in our warehouse, are ready to ship, and custom solutions can be available from approval of drawing as quickly as 2 weeks. Welcome to visit our website via the QR code or send us email to get more information.